Hello, welcome to Mia's Yummy World. Today I'm back with a much loved dessert which I believe is on most people's list of favorite desserts. We are looking at a no-bake lemon and lime cheesecake which you can whip up in 10 to 15 minutes. I assure you it's so quick and easy, and about the taste, oh my goodness, it's just mind-blowing. If you like the flavor and smell of fresh lemons and lime, and if you're a fan of creamy, feel-good desserts and you don't want to spend much time in the kitchen, then yes, this is definitely a winner for you. So let's start. Take 200 grams of your favorite cookies or biscuits. I have used bourbon here as I love this color for my cheesecake's base, and the hint of chocolate is an added bonus to this already delicious cheesecake. Crush it into fine powder in a Ziploc or a mixie jar. I'm not using a mixie jar or a blender just because I'm lazy and I can't be bothered to wash up or put the jars even in the dishwasher. Now to this crushed biscuits, add 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can also add 1/4 of milk, warm milk if you prefer, as the whole idea of this is to make the biscuits sticky to form a firm base to the cheesecake. Combine the biscuits and the melted butter really well, like this in the Ziploc. Now transfer it into a pudding tray and press the biscuit mixture well into the mold or the pudding base you're using. I'm using a pie base as it's very easy to demold. Use a spatula or your hands to press the biscuit mixture well into the mold, like this. The base has to be nice and firm. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm so glad you're here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy recipe videos or family holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you like this video too. Now the base of our cheesecake is ready. Just keep this chilled and we'll carry on with the rest. For the lemon and lime cheesecake, we need the zest of a lime and lemon. Grate the zest carefully and keep aside. The fragrance from the lemon and lime when you make this zest is just so fresh and happy. It makes you feel so good. To prepare the cheesecake mix, into a clean bowl, add 200 grams of soft cream cheese, 200 ml of thick double cream, and 400 ml or 1 tin of condensed milk. If you don't like it too sweet, then you can add a little less condensed milk according to your taste. Whisk the 3 ingredients until it's all well combined and thick. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is the right consistency. To this, add the juice of half a lemon and half a lime. That's to give that perfect lemon-limey flavor to the cheesecake mix. Apologies, but I couldn't record the part where I added the juice of half a lime, but this is also required. To give that special flavor, add a teaspoon of the zest of lime and lemon. And combine gently. Now our perfect lemon and lime cheesecake mix is ready. Spread this over the chilled base really generously, nicely thick and even, and spread it across all over the base. Now if you are in a good mood like me, or if you have some time, scribble some designs on the top of the cheesecake like this with a fork, or else just ignore it. If you're in a hurry, just pop this cheesecake into the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes and your lovely cheesecake is ready for you to enjoy. But if you have some time, just put it in the fridge and chill it for 2 to 4 hours and it'll be still more delicious. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the mold if you're using one. And that's it. It's ready. This cheesecake is just good by itself, but to give that special finishing touch and the beautiful flavor, sprinkle the lemon and lime zest on top. And that's it. No baking and hardly any cooking. I did promise you that this was a quick and easy dessert. You don't have to spend hours and hours in the kitchen to make this dessert. It is so super simple and you need just a few ingredients. Can you see how soft and creamy it is? It just melts in the mouth, and that wonderful flavor of lime and lemon is just so joyful, delicious and fresh. Hope you liked this easy delicious pudding and will give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Keep safe and see you very soon. Bye for now.